Hi guys, I'm Alex and today we're going to see some funny cat videos. I love these animals and the random stuff they always do. So let's get started. Oh, that's a really nice fish tank. They always they are so curious and want to... Well, he escaped. Oh, these cats are so angry. When they are like really close and watching like and with the ears behind their head, they are super angry, ready to fight, cat fight. Oh, that's like a mango. I had a cat that also loved to watch how they papers went out of the machine. What? That cat was like... That was so random. Ow, that's really mean. Oh yeah, kitty cat that likes video games. That's really cute. Oh, he jumped. He was like, no, stop watching me. And jump into the mirror. Aww, poor kitty. Oh my god. He's like... Cheesy. Oh, he loves cheese. Oh, dog. Ow, that's a mean kitty. Poor dog. Man, he's like, wow, like martial arts. Showing his moves. Ooh, he was sleeping. Sleepy cat. Oh, cat's in the snow. I love when they jump, like they like get scared, like they alone get scared, you know. It's bad idea to get really close to a cat, guys. That's an advice I give you, because they can scratch your eyes or face. That was in Japan. For I can see the letters. The cat was in the auditorium like, I don't care. Typical cat. Oh, mouse, no! Oh no. I want to reincarnate into a cat. Look, Dad, I want to... Aww. I love how he gets scared and touch the water again. He's like, I get scared, I don't like water, but again. Well guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, please, I would appreciate it a lot. And comment me which was your favorite cat video. I will be reacting to also dogs videos, more cats videos, and other stuff. I'm Alex guys, take care and see you next time.